We are here!
The forest is beautiful.
Yes, let's be careful. We will learn survival skills today. First, we check our supplies.
What do we need?
Water, food, a light, and a first aid kit. Good, we have them. Stay on the trail.
Why?
It is safer, and we can find our way back. This is a compass.
How does it help?
It shows direction. So we know where to go. Look at this tree.
It is very big.
Yes, it is a landmark. We can remember it.
Can we drink this water?
Not yet. Why? Wild water can be unsafe. We need a safe place.
Is this place good?
It is flat and dry. Good choice. Let's work together.
I have this pole.
I have the tent. Great teamwork. This is nice.
Everything has a place.
That helps us stay organized. Good idea.
What if I get hurt?
Stay calm. Clean the small cut. Then use the first aid kit.
Use fallen branches, not living trees.
We protect the forest. Exactly. Fire needs care.
What should we do?
Stay at a safe distance. And keep water nearby.
I am hungry.
Dinner is almost ready. It smells good. Keep food closed.
Why?
Animals can smell food, so we clean our camp. Look, a deer. It is beautiful. Give it space. We do not chase animals. Buddy, wait!
He is going ahead.
Let's stay together. Buddy, come back!
He stopped.
Good boy, buddy. Stay calm in the forest. Stay calm in the forest. Yes, stay together. Our camp is this way.
How do you know?
The compass helps. Let's go together.
I know that tree.
Yes, it is our landmark. We are close. Good memory. We are back.
That was a good lesson.
Stay calm and know your way. Exactly.
It is getting dark.
That is okay. That is okay. We are prepared. Good. Use a light at night.
It helps us see.
And avoid obstacles. Yes.
The forest sounds different.
Yes. Listen. Nature is all around us.
It is peaceful.
The weather is changing.
Will it rain?
Maybe. Let's prepare. Secure everything.
The tent is ready.
The bags are dry. Good work.
The rain stopped.
Everything is fresh. Our camp is safe.
We did it!
Leave no trash.
Leave no damage.
Leave the forest clean. That is good camping. What did we learn?
Stay on the trail.
Stay calm and stay together. And respect nature.
I learned a lot.
Me too. The forest teaches us.
And we respect it. What is the most important lesson?
Stay calm, help each other, and respect nature. Yes, that is survival.